A prospective buyer has sent you an inquiry on your digital catalog. Do you know how to review and respond to inquiries received on your digital catalog? If not, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to review and respond to inquiries received on your digital catalog. So without spending any more time, let's begin. Now let's quickly understand how to review and respond to inquiries received on your digital catalog. The obvious first step is to log into your account, and once you have logged into your account, then you have to click on this option which says online store, which will open the seller panel of your digital catalog. This is the seller panel. Then in the left navigation, you'll see there are a number of options here or number of buttons here in the left side. You have to firstly click on this button which says orders, which will expand. So now you'll see it has expanded, and now we have this option which says inquiries. So you have to click on this option which will open the inquiry management interface. This is the inquiry management interface which you are seeing on the screen. Now here to review any inquiry, so because the basic details are visible here, which product they have inquired, how much quantity, etc., but you would want to understand it more. So you should click on the view button which you are seeing here. So you can click on the view button and it will open the inquiry detail page. This is where you can see the product. Now, if you're not sure or you're not exactly able to understand which product they have inquired, you can just simply click on the product title. It will take you to the front end of your online store and you can see and understand which product they have inquired. Then you have the variant details. So this is the size 6 variant and they are looking for 100 quantities. And then you have their contact details as well. And this is the message which was shared by the prospective buyer. Now, if you want, you can either call them or you can email them using your official email ID. However, if you would want to reply from here, from your online store, from your digital catalog, you can certainly do that. For that, you can click on this button which says reply, which will open the reply overlay. On this overlay, you can type in your message and click on send, and this message will be sent to the prospective buyer who has sent you this inquiry. So this is how you can review and respond to the inquiries which you have received on your digital catalog.